Pad Krapow, one of Thai's most favorite menu, can be found in literally every single local restaurant in Thailand. I used to have Pad Krapow for like 7 days in a row. Right, that's crazy. Always must come together with fried egg, like how gin always comes together with tonic. สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Cook with Pam in Thai Girl in the Kitchen. If you are here for the first time, welcome and nice to meet you. Let's get to the point. Ingredients: minced pork, can be chicken or beef if you prefer. 4-5 cloves of garlic. Chilies. I know I'm crazy with the spice mixing between Cayenne and Bird Eyes chilies, but don't have to go crazy like me. Just as much or as less as you like, and you don't need to even mix between Cayenne and Bird Eyes. Just pick either. And of course, basil leaves. This is the type I can find from where I'm living, but traditionally we use Holy Basil. If you can find Holy Basils, use those. Better aroma, and it looks like this. Cooking oil, oyster sauce, fish sauce, dark soy sauce for the color, and seasoning sauce, or we call green cap or Pukao Tong, which means golden mountain in Thai. I'm just going to show you the bottle. It looks like this. You can also use Maggi instead, or just not at all, because it helps more with the smell but not the main taste in the dish, but would be nice if you have it. And sugar. Okay, now we're gonna pound garlics and chilies roughly. I cut into smaller pieces first because I'm still using the traveling size mortar and pestle. I'll get the decent size one day, trust me. But this is so cute, being too many places in the world together with me. I'll never ever ditch my mini mortar. And now it should look good. Look at my hands. If you have like mine, wash with the soap right away. Okay, let's move to the stove. About 3 tablespoons cooking oil. We are using medium heat, and if you don't have strong cooking hood or you live in the apartment with a bunch of neighbors, put chilies at the very end. I don't want you to cough like crazy or neighbors being mad at you, but if those are not the problems, then put at the same time with garlics and stir for about half a minute. But still, I'm telling you first, you might cough from chilies, and again, to avoid that, put chilies at the very end. Yeah, I know I keep telling, well, I care. Super. And then following with minced pork or protein of your choice, of course. Keep stirring until it's almost cooked, about 80% cooked. Then we're gonna go for seasonings. For the convenience, you can also mix all of these seasonings before start cooking in a small bowl, and it contains 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon seasoning sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, and a half tablespoon sugar, and dark soy sauce basically for the color. Once all seasonings are in, turn up to high heat and keep stirring. The longer you stir, the drier it gets. Some people like it dry, some like it with some sauce, so go for how you like. Then turn off the heat and put the star of the dish, KaPrao or basil leaves. We can't have Pad Krapow without KaPrao leaves. And if you taste before and after adding basils, you're gonna see the difference. Basil leaves has that special aromatic smell that makes this dish special. Now we're gonna mix it up until the leaves get soft. Steamed rice ready? Fried egg, never forget. If you like Pad Krapow, please hit the like button like how the chili smell hits you. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next recipe. สวัสดีค่ะ